Hello everyone, welcome to chapter 12 from Linux course. If you are here for the first time, please see the videos from the beginning and then return back to this video. This is a short video which is about using Linux commands to review or list the hardware connected to the computer, to the Linux system, operating system, or to the CPU, RAM, and other devices. Okay, this is the first thing we need to know about, which is about the CPU. A CPU, as you know, it's a central processor unit, and to list the content or to see the properties of the CPU, you just type ls for list and then CPU. This will list all the information about the CPU. For example, you can see here, this one, and so on. Okay, there is also another way to do this and to get more information about the processors and the CPU family, which is through a file inside the pros directory. The pros directory is an important one, and I will explain it in the next chapter. And inside this process, so each task in Linux has a directory inside the process. However, you will see it next chapter in chapter 13. And here inside this CPU process, there is a CPU info, and then you can list the content of this file. See that this is the command for listing or to view the file, and then we need the first 20 lines from this file. Let's try it here. And this like this, and this is the output. So this is the command, and here is the output. So here I have number of processors, and however this is the like just WSL inside Windows, so you don't see processors here. Okay, this is the next. This is the process for the CPU. For commands for the CPU, we also have free -n to view the memory in megabyte, or free -g to view the memory in gigabyte. And you can see these are the outputs. And also we can list the content of the devices, or can list the content, the devices that are connected to the Linux. So ls PCI, and here is the command, and here we have devices are connecting to the PCI buses, and here we have these devices. Okay, next also we have with the option -k, and to show device along with the kernel drive for the models used. And then also we have ls USB to list the content or the device or the devices through the USB. And also we have ls mode, and this one is about listing the models and the size of each model and if it's used by something. So for example, this one is not used by any process, and this one is used by 3 process, okay, or tasks. However, here if you type in this environment ls mode, probably you have nothing, because this is like a virtual operating system. Okay, we also have fdisk, and this is about managing the disk and seeing the size of each disk inside the computer. However, one more, if you do fdisk here, then you have this, like this command is not included in the kernel in this version itself, so you need to install it. And here is I'm now installing the fdisk. Okay, and you can see here like fdisk -l, and there you have permission denied. However, like again, you need to install this, and remember that in this distribution it's not included there. Okay, let's try to do this again. I'm doing here this for the first time, so you need sudo, and as you can see, fdisk, it cannot be opened. There is under the directory div ram 0, permission denied. You need here a super user, or you need here a sudo. and here you manage to enter the disks of each of them. So this one is 64 and this one is also 64 and so on. You can see that disk div ram1. So if we come here, go to the next, and then this one the div, and here after that we have somewhere the r div ram1. This is ram0, ram1, and these are the files that are currently executed here. Okay then, thank you very much, and I will see you in the next video.